SUNVIE 12 volt in-ground well lights. Positive number 1, there's 1200 lumens at 12 watts is legitimate efficiency. 100 lumens per watt puts us at roughly the same output per watt as a commercial LED fixture. The aluminum housing actually conducts heat away from the LED driver, which is why the ones that don't fail waterproofing lottery run for a long time. Positive number 2, 12 volt to 24 volt input compatibility is actually a sleeper feature. It means you can daisy chain these off most existing low voltage transformer setups. You know, putting in-ground lights in your yard is exactly like dating on Hinge. The profiles look great, the specs check out, and 6 weeks later, you find out water gets in and things stop working. Rex at least has the decency to short circuit. Yeah, so that answer that you've been waiting for? IP67 is a lab bench rating. It means the fixture survives a 30-minute soak in a controlled test, not 2 Michigan winters of free thaw cycling, where water finds every micro gap. But go in with eyes wide open, not Amazon copy.